Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bake ham, cheese, pineapple buns. This recipe will give a very soft and fluffy bun, which we are going to fill with ham, cheese and pineapple. The buns are great for a summer lunch or just as a snack whenever you like. Let's start with the ingredients. All-purpose flour, milk, sugar, egg, butter, salt and yeast, ham, cheese and pineapple. Let's add our milk, egg, sugar and salt into a bowl and mix well. When everything is well mixed, you can add your flour and yeast to the mixture. Now start mixing slow until it looks like a dough. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. The dough is not finished yet. Cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes have passed, it's time to add our butter. Now mix slowly again for around 2 minutes. Let your dough absorb the butter. When the butter is mixed into your dough, start mixing fast for around 7 minutes. Your dough should be smooth and extensible. And as you can see, I am able to stretch it and look through the dough. This is very important, only this way you will get the most delicious buns. Take a bowl like this and grease it with some oil. This will prevent the dough from sticking. Now shape your dough round, cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour you will see that the dough got much bigger. Now we can deflate it. Now let's divide the dough into 8 pieces. Shape the dough pieces round again. Cover them and let them rest for another 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes have passed, it's time to shape them into buns. Flatten your dough the way I do and shape them into a pointy bun. Then place them onto a baking tray and use some baking paper underneath. Let's make an egg wash to glaze the buns. I'm using milk and egg for this. Now use a sharp knife to cut your buns. And open them a little, this makes it easier to put our filling in. Let's start with a little bit of cheese. And then put your pineapple on top of it. Followed by some more cheese. And finish them with your ham cubes. Cover them again and let them rest for around 30 minutes. Now they are ready to bake. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.